Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on a Chromebook. First thing you do is you go down to the bottom right. You click on this section. Settings is on the bottom right there. And then you'll scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Advanced Settings. And within that, Advanced Settings, scroll down a little. There's a circle there. It says Languages and Inputs. So once you click on Languages and Inputs, you scroll down, the first one is languages. Click on that, and then there's a device language up there. So that's all the text that's going to be on your screen right on the Chromebook. You can click change, and there's a huge list of languages on there. Note that you're going to have to restart your Chromebook after you change the language for all the settings to change. So let's say you want to speak Spanish, or you want the language to be Spanish on your Chromebook. You can pick from different countries too. You can have Argentina Spanish, just basic Spanish, etc. And then once you've selected that language, you have to confirm and restart. So I won't do that yet to continue this video. So that's how you change the language. I'm going to cancel that. And when you want to change the web language, so when you're actually searching on Google Chrome, right under here it says Website Languages. In the same area in Advanced Settings, click Add Languages. Let's say you want Dutch, for example, the Netherlands. From there you can click Add. And then as your bonus tip, as I promised here, I'll show you how to get that prompt to come up. When an article is in English and you want it to be in Dutch or whatever language, or you search something on Japanese and you want it to prompt in English. So to get the English prompt, you click on the three dots on the right and then the checkbox there. If you want to do it in Dutch, you can click that. Now you've got that checkbox there. It'll offer in Dutch. I don't actually speak Dutch. I don't need this. It was just for the demo, so I'm going to remove that right there. So that was how you change the language on your Chromebook. Also on the web language, when you're using a Chromebook, surfing around on the web with the Chrome browser. Hope that video was helpful for you. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.